IPFT met with the Northeast Advisor of HMA or Interlocutor of Tripura A.K. Mishra on Thursday. The executive of IPFT had a discussion on the demands of Tipra land and on important rights of the Tipra people with the Interlocutor A.K. Mishra. Likewise, the Interlocutor A.K. Mishra also met with the executives of Tipra Motha.
IPFT met with the Northeast Advisor of HMA or Interlocutor of Tripura A.K. Mishra on Thursday. Interlocutor A.K. Mishra invited the executives of IPFT in Delhi for having a discussion on the issues of various problems of Tipra people and High Power Modality Committee. The executives of IPFT had a discussion on the demands of Tipra land and on important right of Tipra people with the Interlocutor A.K. Mishra, IPFT State President Prem Kumar Riyang, State Secretary Shapan Debarma, AGS Minister Shukla Nuatia, and Advisor Committee member Krishna Kanta Jamatia were present during the discussion. Likewise, after the IPFT, the Northeast Advisor of HMA or the Interlocutor A.K. Mishra also met with the executives of Tipra Motha on that day. The officials of HMA listened carefully to the demands of Tipra Motha. Furthermore, the member of Tipra Motha Maharaja Pradit Kishore Debarma appreciated the IPFT executives on social media for raising the demand of Tipra land. However, the BJP, IPFT and Tipra Motha is on the way to become united in coming days. The picture has been seen in public slowly. However, we'll get to know in times about the true facts. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.